Today, just for the sake of creating this video, I have come far away from my village. Hello and welcome to my channel English with Anita. I hope you people are doing great and learning English language great way. In today's video, I'm going to share with you people a lot of things. So if you want to hear and learn, then watch this video till the end. Actually, I wanted to create my video just being in my garden, but people, they are chanting Hare Krishna Mahamantra very loudly. That is why I had to come here. Okay, you might be able to hear, right? People, they are still chanting Hare Krishna Mahamantra, right? So for that reason, I came here and I decided to create a vlog. So in today's vlog, I'm going to share with you people a lot of things, and I would say that I'm going to describe things. So if you can learn any vocabulary from that would be great. If not, then just listen, okay? So as you can see, I am standing here and I'm feeling that I am in the lap of nature. Why I'm saying that I'm feeling I am in the lap of nature? Because there is no one. As you can see, no house, no people, just I am here. So when we be in the lap of nature, it's obvious that we will enjoy, right? Or who on the earth would not enjoy if they are in the lap of nature? I mean, if they are in the nature, they will definitely enjoy. Not 100%, but most of the people, they enjoy, right? Because we get cool breeze, we get birds chirping, we get fresh air, so many things, right? And that make us feel amazing, and that's what is happening with me. I'm feeling amazing. Okay, so yeah, this is riverside. There is one river. As you can see, that tree, that is mango tree, and if you go 10 feet away from that tree approximately, so you will reach at the bank of river. Okay, so this river is very near to my village. I mean, the distance between my village and this river is very less, but everything has pros and cons, right? So there are many positive things, but sometimes we get affected by floods in rainy season. Okay, so in every rainy season, when we try to grow something in this area, most of the time what happened, just because of the rainfall or just because of the flood, our crop just was out with the flood. Why? Because it happens, right? It's obvious, right? If any area is getting affected by flood, so crop would definitely wash out with the flood. So that happens. Another thing, you might be getting question, what about Anita's village? So let me share with you, my friends. Ever since I have born, I have never ever seen flood entering into my village. I see flood here. Most of the time, or not most of the time, it won't be correct if I say most of the time. In rainy season, most of the time we see flood here, but it never ever enter in my village. You might be thinking, how? Because one dam is there, okay? So that dam protect us from the flood, okay? So just because of the dam, our village is not affected by flood. That's the only reason. Otherwise, in rainy season, it would be very difficult to survive in my village. But no, because of the dam, we live happy life. So this is the thing. I want to share with you people something related to English also. See, if you want to speak this language beautifully, my friend, you have to pay the price. Just like we people are spending most of the time being in the lap of nature. We are getting a lot of things, so we also pay the price. Okay, just like uh, we get affected by flood, one thing. Another thing, there are many things that city people they get but we don't get, and there are many things we get but city people they don't get, right? So everything has pros and cons, right? So same like other things, in my village also we just face problem when flood comes, otherwise everything is all right. Why? Because pond is there, river is there, and I believe that we are lucky to get all these facilities, you know. So this is the thing. As you can see, everywhere greenery. People they don't get their house constructed here because if flood comes then it would affect their house. Okay, that is why they don't get any building constructed here. In future they may, but so far no one have ever tried. So this is the thing. I'm feeling so amazing, to be honest. It rarely happens. See, when we create any video, then most of the time if our thoughts are not clear, we face difficulties. But today what is happening, I'm feeling amazing, to be honest. Okay, I'm saying it again and again. See, sometimes we cannot describe something in word. Just like the way I'm feeling, I cannot describe in word. As you can listen, birds, they are chirping, they are singing song. And there is one thing, this is a spring season. Okay, so spring season is known as a king of season, right? Why? Because everything feels amazing. Flowers they start blossoming, and what we say, the trees they start giving new leaves, and everything feels so amazing. So that's how I'm feeling. Why? Because spring season is neither hot nor cold, that is why we enjoy. So this is the thing. So let's talk the important thing. My friend, if you want to speak this language beautifully, then you have to pay the price. How? Like there are many ways to pay the price. One, if you are going to hire any tutor, so you are going to pay money, right? So that is also one way of paying the price. Another way, if you are not ready to pay the money, then you need to spend time for learning this language. So there are two ways that you have to pay the price for learning this language. So if you want to learn it, then be ready to pay the price. Why? Because if we want something good in our life, we have to pay the price. I gave the example of nature, right? The way we have been given by the nature everything, even we pay the price. Why? Because most of the time we enjoy, so less time we suffer also. Because we cannot constantly enjoy. Okay, it's nature law. Sometime ups and down, sometime positive and negative, like that. Okay, so this is the thing. So if you want to speak this language fluently and effortlessly, so be ready to pay the price. Okay, if you are giving money, even you have to do hard work, or if you are ready to give time, even you have to do hard work. So this is the thing I wanted to share with you people. I hope my video is little bit helpful for you people. If it is, then please like, share, subscribe. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day.